Pada periode inflasi ekonomi Bank Indonesia juga meroket hingga 70%. Krisis Asia yang menyebabkan rupiah meroket 16.600. Krisis ekonomi yang terlibat dengan Amerika Serikat berkembang menjadi krisis perekonomian. Untuk membenahi kredit macet, pemerintah berhasil turun dari 78% menjadi 2%. Serta menerbitkan obligasi rekap sebesar 600 juga menguat ke level 7, melanjutkan restrukturisasi keuangan serta meningkatkan investasi pada ekspor dan melanjutkan program reformasi ekonomi serta pencapaian kemiskinan untuk pertama kalinya menembus ke level single 5% ke atas 6%.
Krisis ekonomi di sepanjang tahun 1997 hingga 98 menjadi episode kelam bagi bangsa Indonesia. Nilai rupiah terjun bebas, harga kebutuhan pokok meroket, sejumlah industri dan perusahaan gulung tikar.
Pemirsa, gelombang PHK karyawan menghantui sejumlah industri.
Rencana penyehatan keuangan yang berimbas pada pemutusan hubungan kerja atau PHK.
Surat resmi pemutusan hubungan kerja atau PHK.
Inilah akhir perjalanan panjang transport pagi selama hampir 12 tahun.
Beberapa tantangan seperti PHK adalah bagian dari penderitaan sebagai anak bangsa kita yang mengalaminya.
On October 2024, Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Rakabuming were inaugurated as President and Vice President.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. My name is Alvina Diningrum, student age number 442504447. Fatmawati Brains. Here I will express my opinion about the new President Prabowo. During his campaign, President Prabowo promised to create 90 million jobs. The economy continues to decline every month because during the COVID-19 pandemic, many workers laid off and had difficulty finding new jobs. Currently, many middle class people are pretending to be lower class just to meet their primary and secondary needs. There are also teenagers who have nice motorcycle but turn out to do bad things like stealing. Many actions have been taken to stabilize the economy, to the point that people have forgotten their humanity and even put themselves in danger. The new President Prabowo has introduced work programs in various fields during his term of office. And so on, as he said in his program, we should not worry too much or wait for a call, but we must have the intention, determination, confidence, skills, and values to accomplish it. Definition of the simple present tense. Simple present is the verb tense with two main uses. Use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly or unconsciously, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. The three parts of the simple present tense. First, there is the positive sentence structure, which is written as subject plus verb with an s added and the y at the end replaced with is. Verbs such as I, you, they, and we do not take an s when plural. Verbs such as he, she, and it, taken as added to the verb 1. Second is the negative sentence. From the structure is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Third is the interrogative, which has 3 types and the structure is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object and question mark.
An example is in this text of positive sentence. I like chocolate. Angela runs a youth club full of glue sniffers. I ride horse in the summer. Pauline loves pie. It always snows here in January. The plane flies to London every Monday. Next, addition to simple present tense. Adding an s to a word. For verbs ending in a regular letter, such as read, love, work, and snow, simply add s. Change y to is. For verbs ending in the letter y after a consonant, change the y to is. Read, es. Verbs ending in o, ch, s, h, ss, x, or z, add es. Example of a negative sentence in the simple present tense. Example 1. She doesn't think there is enough to go around. Example 2. I do not clean the room. Example 3. Dawn does not play chess in the evenings. Example 4. Angela does not run a youth club full of glue sniffers. Example 5. Daisy and Jack don't go out together much at the weekend. The use of subject placement in words according to their position and structure. The interrogative, which has 3 types. First, question that can be answered with yes or no. Second, regular questions such as thus asking something using 5w plus 1h. Third, question to determine a choice, which are similar to the second type, but the difference is that the third type is a simpler choice question, but the answer may be a bit longer. There are now 4 simple forms in use. First one, repeat or regular action in the present time period. Second, for facts. 3, for habits. And last, for things that are always or generally true. Next, signal words or verb of frequency like is, always, usually, often, sometimes, ever, and never. So, if it's ever done, it's almost ever and close to never at all. Technical problems that often go wrong is forgot to add as or es to he, she, it, misplaced do or does, use the first form of the verb, not the second form, and last, wrong choice to be. Example, I am, is, are. Next, this is an example of simple present dialogue. Addition of nouns. Verbs are conjugate to agree with the subject and to express time. Verbs show when things happen and if these actions have been complete. Progressive expect is for action that were, are, or will be in progress. Perfect expect is for referring to complete action from the past, present, or future. And the last is answer to the previous quiz. Number 1, do is WH question. Number 2, he is positive sentence. 3, where is WH question. Number 4, are is a yes or no question. Number 5, cars is positive sentence. Number 6, do is yes or no question. 7, do is yes or no question. Number 8, do not is negative sentence. Number 9, are is positive sentence. Number 10, does not is negative sentence. Number 11, does not is negative sentence. 12 is yes or no question. 30, does not negative sentence.
That is the end of the video I have presented. I apologize for any information or words that might have caused offense. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.